Hello everybody, welcome. Now, I've been up Aldi's, I mean I love Aldi's anyway, but today I'm going to do Vegeta chicken stir fry. This was £3.20, this was from Aldi, but I'm going to do it, which I've never done before. I've even looked online and I've never seen anybody do it. I'm going to do it in a pucker pie, stir fried pucker pie. Now I don't know what it's going to taste like. I don't know if people have done it before, but I've looked online and I can't seem to find anywhere that's done it. So, what do we think? Stir fried pucker pie? Yes, no? Experiment, see what it comes out like. So let's prepare it all and see what happens, I suppose. Right, so I've got my stir fry mix. I've looked at the instructions and it says, let me see if I show you. Stir fry over medium to high for 13 minutes. Add the sauce and water. Reduce the heat and cooking time for 2 minutes. So it's quite simple. You've got the sauce in there. But I've also bought this sauce as well. Put one of them in. And I've got some pie trays from they were from Tesco's, £1.30 I think they was. So my pastry was 90p from Aldi. And you just got an egg just to baste it with. So I think it's going to be quite an interesting one. So basically you just shove it all in and cook it all. Yeah. So what I'll do is we'll get everything prepared. Right, I've got my wok out. I'm just going to put my oven on to warm up while I'm doing this. So I think this could be a quite interesting one, to be honest. You know. I've had my pastry out for like 40 minutes now, I think, so I'm going to take that out ready. I'm going to get a drop of oil in. So when that wok's heated up, we'll get the stuff in. And we'll fry it up. Then we'll get it in a pie. Right, I think that's hot enough now. Steaming. So I'm going to open the this. Open it all up. I'm going to get the sauce out because obviously that doesn't go in yet. There's the sauce. Quite a bit of sauce there actually, to be fair. I'm just going to stick it all in. When you've all done stir fry, you usually just stick the chicken in first. And then, but it says just put it all in. So I'm going to stick it all in, do what it says. I hope it doesn't splatter. To be honest, that smells nice already. It's only been in a minute. What I'll do is I'll fry all this up. You don't want to see this frying for ages. I'll fry it all up. And I'll bring you back when I put the sauce in. Right, that's been in about 10 minutes now. It's looking very nice. And it smells gorgeous. It smells absolutely gorgeous, that does. So now I'm going to put the sauces in now. Put that in. Get it all. Don't be shy. Get it all in. And get the other one. Get the oyster. Spring onion. Just going to get it in there. Going to give it a stir. Oh man, that smells gorgeous. That smells absolutely gorgeous. Then what I'm going to do is just put it on simmer now. It's just on simmer. I'll leave it to simmer for a few minutes. Right, that's all done now. And it smells absolutely delicious. It smells delicious. Let me just get a little bit of chicken out. Show you. Ah, that's hot. Gorgeous. Oh wow. Well, I'm going to leave that to cool for 10 minutes. I don't want to put it in the pie when it's really hot. And what I've done, you can see, I just put a bit of parchment paper underneath the tray, and that on top, because I want to lift it out as a pie, you see. So then I've got to put a lid on top. Well, I'll wait for that to cool down, we'll get the filling in, we'll put a lid on, we'll get some egg and we'll get it in the oven. Right, what I've done, I've just made myself a lid, just put that upside down, make a lid, nice and simple. Now we're going to get the pie now, that's cooled down a little bit, get the pie base. So I've never done it before, so I don't know what it's going to taste like, but if it tastes anything like the meat, it's going to be gorgeous. And I'm just going to fill. Just going to fill it up. I don't know if you can see that. Let me lift you up a bit. There you go. So I've had the balti pies and everything before, but I've never had this. Stir-fried pie, that's what I was thinking. Oh, let's try it. Stir-fried pucker pie. Get in there. So I'm not a chef, so I don't know, what it's going to come out like. Might not look the best. A little bit more, I think. That'll do. Oh yes, that's looking nice now. Look at that beauty. Ignore the mess. Stir-fried pie. Right, just cream this side up here and we'll get the lid on. Right, I'm just going to egg wash the sides now. Because what I want to do is I want to try and roll it over so the seams don't come apart, because I don't know whether this is going to go really juicy or what. Move that out of the way. I'm going to put some egg wash on the lid as well. Around the edge first. Just in case. I've never done it before. There's that. Now let's get the lid on. I've made the lid a lot bigger, I say, because I want to roll it over. It's not about the look. It's always about the taste. I want to see if I can roll it like that. Put some egg wash on the top. I want to roll it over then and then crimp it down. And we'll see. I'm going to roll it over. Just like that on the edge of the pie. Right, that's all rolled over now. Now I'm just going to get a little crimp. With a nice little fork. Bit on the edge there. There we go. Bit of egg wash. Bit of egg wash all over. It smells lovely, to be fair. It smells really nice. I mean, I could have pre-cooked the bottom. Maybe I should have. That's done. I'm going to put a little thingy in the middle. Just get rid of the air. And I'm going to stick that in the oven. I don't know what, 15 minutes I suppose? 20 minutes? Until it's golden brown, puffed up, hopefully, fingers crossed. So I'll bring you back when it's done. Right, what I've done is I've made another one off camera. So I've just looked at the one in the oven, there it is, the other one. I've trimmed it all down. I haven't put any parchment paper in it or anything. But you'll see the other one when it comes out, it's all gone all over the sides. It hasn't come apart, just the pastry's gone everywhere, because obviously I rolled it over and I didn't roll it over properly. So I've made another one anyway, but you'll see the other one when it comes out in a bit. It looks like about 10 minutes left. So I've made that one, and then I'll show you them both together. I'm going to put that in the oven now. Right, are you ready for this? This is my first one. I mean, it looks nice, but let's see what I mean about the pastry all going over the sides. That's the first one. And here's the second one I made. When I trimmed it. This one's just come out of the oven, it's boiling up. Oh yes, look at that one. Stir fry pucker pie. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's see if I can get this one out first. Let's move that out of the way. This is going to be fun, isn't it? Oh. I think it's going to be a bit soggy underneath, I think. But let's have a look. I should have part baked it first, I think, but there's the first one. Now let's see if I can get the other one out. See if I can get this one. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Can I get this one? Oh yes. Oh my God. Look at them beauties. Look at them beauties. I mean, I think that one could have done with 2 or 3 minutes at the bottom there. But that might just be the filling. So what do you think of that then? Stir fried balti pie. I mean, that one's gone all over the shop, isn't it? That one's looks lovely. Right then, should we give it a taste test? Yes? Yeah, go on, let's give it a taste test. Right then, I've got our Natalie with us. And we're both going to taste it. So I've never done anything like this before. There's the one that's gone pear-shaped. Which I just... And there's the other one I've done. Which looks a lot better. So we're going to cut them up. We're going to cut the dopey one up first. And we're going to try that. So I'll cut that in half. Well, not in half. Not in half of it, do we? Right, yeah, I can cut it in half and then... Just so we can show the camera. There's that one. And there's that one. I mean, look at that. Can you see that? That looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Look at it. It smells gorgeous, doesn't it?
It smells nice.
Really nice. Wow. Let's try it together then. You ready?
Yeah.
Go on then, stick it in your gob.
That's nice.
Oh wow.
That's lovely.
Absolutely wow.
I like that.
Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it?
Really nice.
That's stunning, and that's the bodged up one. That is absolutely stunning.
Happy
Wow.
tasty.
I've got my lad here, but he's not going to come on camera. Daniel, do you want to taste some?
Yeah.
Off camera.
It's really nice, Damien.
You'll have to speak up for the camera and tell me what you think. That's stunning. Don't need it all, because you want to try.
Well, they're different.
Well, we might cook different one, because that one's proper and that's a bit...
Oh yeah, that's alright.
You know that?
Yeah.
Good. That's just thumbs up from my son. Let's do this one now, Bab. I can't believe that. That's stunning, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. Let's get a couple more forks.
Thank you.
Sorry about that, and there's the other one. Look at it. It's gorgeous.
It is proper tasty.
It's really good, isn't it? It's really, really good.
The pastry's really nice.
It's really
as well.
good, honestly. 20 minutes I was in for in the oven.
Yeah.
I mean, the pastry's exactly the same on both for a minute. It's just that one went all loopy, didn't it? So they're both exactly the same. Just one looked better. But it's not the look, it's all in the taste. They're absolutely stunning. Make them, honest to God, make them.
Yeah.
Stir fry, pucker pie, they're absolutely gorgeous. There's no two ways to put that, is there? They're stunning.
I don't like stir fry, it's nice.
Yeah, he doesn't like stir fry and he loves that.
Do you know what?
They're stunning, aren't
These taste better than
they? You got a nice little spice as well.
These taste better than the shop bought ones.
There's no stir fry shop bought ones, is there?
No, but
You mean the pucker pie ones?
like a pop,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
There's no
Absolutely
taste.
stunning. Yes.
Really nice.
You give that a thumbs up. 100% that, innit? 100% try it.
It's really nice.
There you go. Me, Natalie and the lad, we've all agreed 100%. So thank you very much for watching. I am the old food guy. Till the next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. I'm having more. I'm having more. Oh my God. I don't know if I could. I don't think I can lift it up and show you properly because of the plate. But it is stunning. Honest to God, it's stunning.
Do you know what? I could just stand here and finish the lot.
Yeah.
It's proper nice.
And it was really cheap to make. See you later. Bye bye.
Really nice. And I've got that one sweet. There's more dinner.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye bye.